Hey guys, welcome for another adventure. Today we're heading out to meet up with some friends. We're gonna do some camping and exploring. Also, we're gonna be giving the truck a shakedown after the liftgate installation. We're just at the trailhead, so I'm just gonna go ahead and narrow down and get back on the trail. Beautiful weather today, so Alright, we made it to camp. We're all set up over there. That's Melissa, Hannah, and TJ. They camped here last night, and we're gonna join them tonight. They have a nice fire going on. I'm gonna cook myself some dinner. I got some steaks. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day now. Yesterday I had some issues with my camera, plus it got dark really quick, so I couldn't get to do much filming. So basically we just arrived to camp, set up the tent, and cooked some dinner. Then after that we just hang out by the fire for a few hours and went to bed. Today it looks like it's gonna be another beautiful day. Probably just gonna make breakfast now, and I don't know, we'll see what happens from there. I have my heater going on the tent. It's pretty warm, pretty cozy. After spending that beautiful morning by the lake and around the fire, it was finally time for us to head back. But first, we wanted to take a small detour to try out the truck in a little more technical way. A local trail that I haven't previously been able to take due to ground clearance issues. And sure enough, this time the lift kit came in handy, making our way down this steep rocky trail without issues at all. guys, we're back at the house. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. The truck did awesome. And see you on the trails.